Hello and welcome to, our budget smartphone setup. Yeah, you get me. Well, the problem with this was, I recorded the video using my phone, and so the speaker, the microphone, the actual phone is not that good. So I'm doing a voiceover, hoping that's fine for my first video. My angles are kind of messy, but I'll work into it in the second video. It's been like a week. I've been recording, editing, ideas, setting everything up. So this video consists of my first impressions and impression after 1 week, how it's been. Alright, let's get into it.
Took me a long time. I wasn't make a door. This was cheap, like it used to be £50 for a promotion on how much was it? £30. That's 16 colours, small LED strips from Gary. Double the kitchen. And that's one of the. This is small Wi-Fi surge protector. So you can switch each individual one through the app and the USBs. The power there. And yeah. I mean, here's the box. Alright. Ooh, it came off just like that. That is a nice feeling. Alexa, oh, this looks nice. And we have it. I forgot the comments and sounds inside a few stuff. Okay. Episode, and we have this is our warranty and product information, eh? Things to try. That's yes, we're doing that. Little package in the wall. Protected by this. This is a really nice box. And then we have Amazon charger. I'm pretty sure this is forgiving have to be plugged in 24/7. Yes, there's two holes for power. Yeah. Just put it in. Let me try some. So what? Big one. Oh, the big one. Big one. Power. Boom. Now, how do you turn on? Oh. Just did this blue thing. And what happens now? Just doing blue stuff. Children don't feel yourselves by your parents. Oh. Huh? Huh?
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa-App runter und folge den Anweisungen. Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Oui.
Ciao, il dispositivo è pronto per la configurazione. Scarica l'app Alexa y segui le instrucciones. Hola, el dispositivo está listo para que lo configures. Descarga la app Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Is it done with the languages? Alright, I'm gonna download the app. I'll be back. We are downloading the app. So to use Bluetooth to Alexa. You can say continue. Do you want to say yes? Searching for devices. Give me up. I'll continue. Alright, let's do this. It's like your Wi-Fi network. Oh! I was gonna say something. The first one, BT. Oh. Hold. I'll be back.
Is ready.
Oh, my Echo is ready, it says. Oh, it's nice green. It's not. It's now, which room is your, just gonna call it my room. Continue. Oh. Continue. Hello. Continue. Teach Alexa your voice. Consent. Alright. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. Always prefer created. Oh. Enter E. Welcome to Echo Dot. Some basis. Okay, let's do this.
Welcome to your new Echo Dot.
Yes.
Now you can add Alexa to any room. Use your voice to check the news and weather. Control compatible smart home products and call anyone with an Echo device or the Alexa app, all hands-free. Use the crisp and clear built-in speaker or connect Echo Dot to your own speakers through Bluetooth or with an audio cable. Start by saying the wake word, Alexa. You'll know she's ready when the light ring turns blue.
Dude, it just went blue on me.
Ask her to play a song, artist, or genre. Alexa, play rock music.
Here's a station for rock music. Or rock on Amazon Music.
With multi-room music, you can play songs on compatible Echo devices in different rooms at the same time. Even ask Alexa to tell you a joke. Alexa is always getting smarter with thousands of skills available. Skills help you do more with your device. Use them to find recipes and more. Find your favorites by saying, Alexa, help me get started with skills. And to discover even more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can you do? Welcome to your new Echo Dot and say hello to a world made for your voice.
That's kind of mad. So complete.
Hello, I'm Alexa. It's lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you
There
too.
are a lot of fun and helpful things I can do.
Okay.
I have a quick introduction that we can walk through together.
Alright.
Can I show you some things to try?
Yes.
Great. Let's get started. To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Try saying this, Alexa, what's the weather?
Alexa, what's the weather?
In Harlington, it's 18 degrees Celsius with mostly sunny skies.
Oh, that's kind of
Here's
mad.
something different to try.
Yeah.
I can help organize your shopping needs by creating a shopping list. Try saying, Alexa, add bananas to my shopping list.
Alexa, add banana to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added banana to your shopping list. Here's something new I can do. I can help you learn new things every day. Try saying, Alexa, Wikipedia Albert Einstein.
Hey Alexa, Wikipedia Einstein.
Well, let's try again.
I'm a retard.
Say, Alexa, Wikipedia. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity, one of the two pillars of modern physics. Nice one. And always remember one of his famous quotes. You never fail until you stop trying. Let's try something new. I can help you track time when you're in the kitchen, exercising, or doing laundry. Try saying, Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20-minute timer starting now. I'll cancel that timer for now.
Okay.
Let's move on to the last part of this introduction.
Which is?
I'll ask you a few questions to see what you like.
Alright.
Then, I'll send you recommendations to your Alexa app.
Uh-huh.
First question. Do you like staying up to date on the latest news?
Yeah.
Right. One last thing. I've got mad skills. Skills are like apps for Alexa, so you can do more, like play games, order a pizza, or listen to a meditation. Do you want to learn more about skills?
Yes.
Right. I've sent your recommendations. Now it's time to explore. Go ahead and open the Alexa app to see your things to try. Thanks for talking with me.
You're welcome. Hey Alexa. Tell me a joke.
How many therapists does it take to change a light bulb? Only one, but the light bulb has to want to change.
Okay. It's been like an hour, half an hour, 45 minutes. Sound really good. I like it. It picks up. I made it the default music Spotify. That means I need to get Spotify Premium when my 1 month free thing runs out. And yeah, I'm gonna just use it. And I've been trying to get new skills, like the things you can make Alexa do. I need to research. I only got one. That's the Spotify to use Spotify. So then, time for this one. The big boy, smart Wi-Fi sound effector. Let's go. Think you can see my face. I don't know. I don't care. Let's see. 1 year warranty. That's good. Input and delete. Okay. Oh, that feels nice. I did something. I pressed it and it all turned on. Let me just download the app real quick. Power button's flashing on and off. Allow. I don't have one. Oh, can I use that on my Amazon thing? Wouldn't I? Hold on, I'm making an account real quick. I'm gonna go to Office, Plugs. Next, to home Wi-Fi. Okay, hold up. Added this very good Wi-Fi socket. Individual switch. I can switch up all the USB ports. Individually turn on and off each socket from the app. And I think you can do it to Alexa if I learn how to link it. And yeah, this room's gonna look nicely.